Good afternoon, students. Today we are going to discuss chapter 4 lines and angles. In that exercise 4.2, fourth question. The question is given in the given figure, lines XY and MN intersect at O. Okay? Intersect at O. So see, the line is XY and MN. These two lines are intersect at what, Nana? O. And if angle POY is equals to 90 degrees. Angle POY is equals to what, Nana? That is 90 degrees. And A is to B is equals to 2 is to 3. You observe this one, A is to B, this 2 angles ratio 2 is to 3. Okay, then find C. This is the question. Now see what I am doing from the figure. Okay, I am writing the given data. Given lines XY and MN intersect at what, Nana? O దగ్గర intersect XY and MN intersect at O. And angle POY is equals to 90 degrees. POY is equals to 90 degrees. In the same manner, POX also 90 degrees only, na? That is nothing but A plus B is equals to 90 degrees. That is from the figure. From the figure. You just observe now. POY 90 degrees. In the same manner, POX also 90 degrees. Okay, that is nothing but you రెండింటిని యాడ్ చేస్తే కూడా that is equals to 90. But A is to B is equals to, that is equals to 2 is to 3. A is to B is equals to what they given? 2 is to 3. The sum of the terms of the ratio. Sum of the terms of the ratio. That is nothing but 2 plus 3 is equals to 5. Okay? Now see what I am doing. A corresponding ratio term, that is 2. If you want A is equals to, that is 2 by sum of the terms of the ratio, that is 5 into POX, that is nothing but what, Nana? A plus B into 90 degrees. 5 ones are 5 18s are 2 into 18 degrees. 2 into 18 degrees, that is equals to 36 degrees. In the same manner, if you want to B is equals to its corresponding ratio term, that is 3 by sum of the terms of the ratio, that is 5 into 90 degrees. That is 5 ones are 5 18s. So clearly 3 into 18, that is 54 degrees. Clearly A means 36, B means 54. 36 plus 54 means 90 degrees. Okay? But we required to find that is C. మనకు కావాల్సింది C. You just observe the figure now. కరెక్ట్గా ఫిగర్ని అబ్జర్వ్ చేయండి. యాంగిల్ B, యాంగిల్ C. ఈ టూ యాంగిల్స్ వచ్చేసి ఇప్పుడు MN ఈజ్ ఎ లైన్. MN ఈజ్ ఎ లైన్. యాంగిల్ B, యాంగిల్ C. ఈ టూ యాంగిల్స్ వచ్చేసి ఏం ఫామ్ అవుతుంది ఇక్కడ మనకి? స్ట్రైట్ యాంగిల్ ఫామ్ అవుతుంది. ఎస్, లీనియర్ పెయిర్. సో we can write from the figure B plus C is equals to 180 degrees. That is linear pair. Okay, that is what, Nana? Linear pair. So the sum, these two are adjacent angles now. BC rendu pakkane unna angles, but the sum of the adjacent angles, your sum is 180 degrees. Straight angle form. Yes, that's what we mean. B means we know what we get. B means just before, that is 54 degrees plus C is equals to 180 degrees. 54 is transposing to RHS side. We get what Nana? That is minus 54. C is equals to 180 degrees minus 54 degrees. So then C is equals to 180 minus 54 ante that is what? 126 degrees. Okay, na? Angle C is equals to, the value of C is equals to, that is 126 degrees. This is the required answer for this question. Now see one more question. Okay students, now see the question number 5. The question is given in the given figure, angle PQR, simply angle Q is equals to angle PRQ, that is angle R. These two are equal angles. Angle Q is equals to angle R. So we can say that PQR is a isosceles triangle. Okay, na? So leave nothing. But here given to prove that angle PQS is equals to angle PRT. We need to prove angle PQS is equals to angle PRT. Then what I am doing, see here, the given data, given angle PQR is equals to angle PRQ, and as well as we need to show that RTP required to prove angle PQS. Angle PQS is equals to angle PRT. PQS is equals to angle PRT. Okay na? ఇది మనం చూపించాల్సింది, required to prove. Then what I am doing, you just observe here, angle Q here, PQR, angle Q, and this side. These two angles are adjacent angles. PQS means this angle, R means this angle. These two are adjacent angles and forms a linear pair. Yes or no? So that's why what I am doing, angle PQS, angle PQS plus angle PQR is equals to 180 degrees, that is linear pair. Okay, now these two are adjacent angles, the sum is 180 degrees. In the same manner, you observe these two angles, this one and this one. Angle PRT, angle PRQ, angle PRT plus angle PRQ, that is equals to 180 degrees. This one and this one, these two angles kuda water, that is 180 degrees. This is also linear pair. Okay, no? Ikkada both sides manaki RHS part 180 degrees, 180 degrees. Both RHS equal aithe, okay na? This is equation 1 and equation 2. Both RHS are equal. Then equating LHS from 1 and 2, from 1 and 2. LHS nu kuda equal cheyochu. That is angle PQS plus angle PQR is equals to, here also, angle PRT plus angle PRQ. Okay, I written like this. When LHS equal unte both sides RHS equal, then LHS also are equal. But we know that angle PQR what I ichadu, data angle PQR that is equals to what? PRQ. This is given. Okay, na? This is given. So angle PQS means PQS only plus PQR place lo నేను PRQ రాస్తాను because of in given data only angle PQR is equals to PRQ. So in PQR place lo దీని place లో I'm writing PRQ. This one, okay, is equals to this side as usually angle PRT plus angle PRQ. So clearly PRQ cancel, therefore angle PQS this side is equals to angle PRT. Hence proof. ఇదే కదా మనం చూపించాల్సింది. Angle PQS is equals to angle PRT. Okay, so this is the required answer for this question. Okay students. Okay students, now see the next one, that is question number 6. Nana, in the given figure, if x plus y is equals to w plus z, what they given? X plus y is equals to w plus z, then prove that AOB is a line. Then prove that AOB is a line. Okay, so this is the question. Now see, I'm writing the data. Given x plus y is equals to w plus z. Yes? Then what is the required RTP? We need to prove AOB is a line. Okay? Now you just observe, Nana. By observing the figure, x plus y plus z plus w, w x y z, x plus y plus z plus w. Okay, the sum of all angles at a point that is equals to 360 degrees we know. Yes or no? You can write x plus y plus z plus w that is equals to 360 degrees. We will have sum of all angles, sum of all angles at a point is 360 degrees. Is it clear? Sum of all angles at a point, that is nothing but x degrees plus y degrees plus z degrees plus w degrees. But here is given x plus y is equals to y plus z, na? X plus y is equals to y plus z. So that is nothing but x plus y is equals to z plus w is equals to, that is 360 degrees by 2. Okay, na? That is nothing but 2 1s are 2 180s are 360. So clearly we can write x plus y is equals to 180 degrees, z plus w is equals to 180 degrees. So you just observe z, w, these two are adjacent angles, and y, x, these two are adjacent angles. X plus y, these two are adjacent angles, their sum is equals to 180 degrees. Z plus w, these two also adjacent angles, their sum is equals to 180 degrees. So clearly we can say that by the statement, two adjacent angles whose sum is a straight angle, okay na, that is a linear pair, means we can say that therefore AOB is a line. Yes or no? AOB is a line because of the sum of two adjacent angles whose that is equals to 180 degrees, that is pair linear, that is called the linear pair. The sum of two adjacent angles whose measure is 180 degrees. So then AOB is a straight line. By the statement we can say that. So this is the required answer for this question. Okay, thank you.
ఆన్సర్.